Okay, 1951 Ford 8N engine compression test. Bought it for scrap. $800 for the tractor and a plow. $50 for the compression tester. Starting with cylinder 1. Oh, right on. Cylinder 1 is solid. And cylinder 2. Oh, I can't complain about that. And cylinder 3. Decent. And cylinder 4. What do we got? Just under 125. Spec is 125 new. Perfect. So when this tractor was purchased, it had oil coming out of the overflow so bad it looked like a pump. And the reason why is because the oil was overfilled and the drain pump was seized, or the drain was seized on it. And because it had the side mounted distributor cap, water got in here and corroded that terminal. And these wires were all mixed up. That's kind of a makeshift carburetor. Best of what I got with parts laying around. Anyway, I'll try her out and see if she starts. Those. And we're going to cheat a little bit. Oh, that's not good. Hang on. Let's do a little choke. No spark. Awesome. Getting better. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I did that. That was my own fault. 1, 2-ish. Oh, for crying out loud. Come on, old girl. Not bad. $800. Decent.